Okay, this is Unit 10, Formative 2, Video 2, Qualitative versus Quantitative Data. Okay, so we have two types of data that we're going to deal with. The easiest one is the quantitative data. Okay, quantitative data, think quantity. Okay, so quantity is a number. Okay, so our quantitative data are always numbers, okay, but it's not every number. So it's a number that can be measured. So, okay, so a lot of times you can put a unit on it, okay, like 5 feet tall, 7 feet tall. You know, someone's height is a quantitative piece of data. Someone's weight, because it's pounds. Someone's phone number is not, because there's no units to it. It's not a measurable number. Another example of a number that's not quantitative is jersey numbers. Okay, that's not quantitative data, it's qualitative data. Okay, so then qualitative data is everything else. Okay, so the hardest part here is a lot of times people just see a number and think, oh, it's quantitative. But make sure you can measure the number. Okay, let's try some. All right, so classify the data as qualitative or quantitative. The average number of visitors per day at each of the 6 different theme parks. So that would be at Disney World. Okay, so visitors per day. So if we have 100, okay, does that have a unit to it? And it does. It has people or visitors. Okay, so this would be quantitative. Okay, because we can measure how many people are actually going to be there. Okay. All right, number 2, monthly low temperatures in Rochester, New York. So let's say it's -14. Does that have a unit? It does. It has a degrees. So this is also quantitative. All right, name of U.S. presidents and the states they were born in. You know, so Virginia. Okay, that first of all is not even a number, so we know it's qualitative. Favorite color and a person's gender. So this is actually 2. Favorite color may be orange. Not a number, so this is qualitative. Person's gender, female. As an example, not a number, so this is qualitative. Okay, and that's it. So again, just because it's a number doesn't mean it's a quantitative. The number has to be measurable. Have a great day.